Hi guys, it's Chris here, and today we have an unboxing of coffee machine from Tassimo by Bosch. This coffee machine is called Tassimo My Way, and it provides a touch screen here, and you have touch buttons for coffee intensity, temperature, size of the cup, and your favorite coffees. You can save them in here. Also, this machine comes with drink adjustment, your sensor touch interface, one touch, auto cleaning, space for every cup, energy saving, no heat up time, easy refill. They said you have a cup of 1.3 liters to refill it with water. Of course, this machine is reading by barcode how much water to pour in your coffee and how much time it will take and how bigger the temperature will be. So let's start unboxing the Tassimo My Way by Bosch. By the way, this machine is about 80 pounds, which makes it around $100. Inside here we have some leaflets, some manuals, some guide, there is it, the Tassimo coffee machine by Bosch. This coffee machine is called My Way because it has a touch screen here, and on this touch screen you can set up your coffee, temperature, cup size, and your favorite drinks. And also, this machine is working by one touch button, and it has a barcode to read your PODs. Inside this box we don't have any free PODs, but let's hope we have some on the list. Yeah, we have £20 voucher from Tassimo on the next purchase. So there is, guys, this is a brand new Tassimo My Way from Bosch. There you go. Here you can stack the PODs, then you close this. You have your tray, which is three-way, small cup, medium cup, and large cup. And basically you just press one button, you select your favorite and just press one button and your coffee will be ready. Here on the back we have the tank and some instructions. This tank says it will take up to 1.3 liters water for your coffee machine. On the right side or left side of the coffee machine you have your cleaning disc, so do not lose it. Of course you can buy another one, but please do not lose it because you need to install this inside to clean your coffee machine. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. I hope you like my videos, and subscribe to my channel and like it and share it on social media. Until next time, all the best and see you soon.